Oh, man. Ugh. This waterfall temple is risky and very hard. Are you sure we're going the right way, Kalmar?
Of course we are, Mario. I know this temple through the back of my head.
Yeah, because you're the prince of this part of the Mushroom Kingdom. And you're always sneaking out and away from your parents and your siblings. There it is!
Dun-dun-dun-dun!
The next crystal star. I guess we were going the right way after all, Kalmar.
And that crystal star is mine!
Uh-oh, trouble. Get out of here, young Prince Wingfeather. Get somewhere to safety.
Don't have to tell me twice.
Get lost, plumber boy. The crystal star is mine, fair and square.
What do you even want it for, Wario?
I plan on selling it to the highest bidder so I can get a lot of big bucks.
Yeah, no, that'll never happen.
Yes, it will. Butt smash! You better back off, Mario, or else.
Ah! Not the tearjerker! Okay. But before I go, can I say one last thing?
Sure. What is it?
Fireball!
My butt's on fire! Water! That's better. What?
See you around, fatso. Alright. Time to claim the crystal star and... What the...
What? Ah, Mario.
Looking for this beauty?
Too bad, it's mine. And you've got to get out of here. Later, faucet freak.
The whole temple is going to collapse. I gotta get out of here. I gotta... Oh!
Mario! Wake up!
Ah! What? Luigi? What's going on?
You got knocked out when the temple's collapsing. Luckily, Prince Kalmar came and saved you.
Really? Huh. He's got guts. I'll give him that. But there's no time to lose. Luigi, Bowser took one of the crystal stars. Which means I'm still stuck with 3 instead of 4.
Let's not waste any more time. Come on, we gotta make sure that he doesn't get too far away in his Doom Ship Fortress.
Right, let's go.
Huh. You were right, young Wingfeather. Those Super Mario Brothers are super. And we know that your home is here in the Prime Dimension, but we really need your help, Prince. Yeah, I know. Well, let's go, kid. We can't leave Proximus, Genki, and the other Light Guardians waiting for long.